Miss, you are the president-elect. You have been selected to lead your club during the following year. As you serve on the board this year, take advantage of opportunities to learn about the President's role, build relationship, and plan for your year as President. Thank you for your leadership and dedication. I hereby formally install you as President-elect of this club. May I call immediate past President Nita Dino? Your club benefits from the immediate past President, continuing for one more year as a member of the Board of Directors. Your experience as club president this past year will empower you to be essential mentor and colleague for your successor and a valued advisor on the business of the club. It's my pleasure to present to you your past president's team, and by so doing, we charge you with sharing your wisdom and lending a hand as you remain a member of the board for one more year. Congratulations to you and your excellent work and dedicated service this past year. We thank you for your continued dedication to your club. Maraming salamat team.
Ano yung sa bigat na dito sa side?
Bel na daw. Tita Grace. Bukas ng konti, Tita Grace.
Now may